Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the environment work. Install Python 3. X and pick an editor that feels comfortable. Once done, learn core syntax, variables, data types, print and input functions, and basic arithmetic so you can see results immediately. Make sure to run tiny scripts from the terminal or your editor. This reinforces cause and effect. Practice 3 very short programs: a greeting, a calculator, and a simple converter, because early wins build confidence and keep you moving forward. Once you've got basics, push into control flow and structure, conditionals, loops, and list comprehensions so you can express logic compactly. Then learn functions and modules to organize code, plus file input/output to handle real data. Make sure to start a small project, command line tool, data parser, or web scraper, because applied work forces deeper learning. Practice reading docs and using pip for packages. These skills let you extend projects and solve problems without reinventing the wheel. To complete the learning loop, write tests and use PyTest or Unitest so your code stays reliable. Next, package and share. Use virtual environments, pin dependencies, push to GitHub, and try a simple deployment, Heroku, or a static hosting workflow so your work is visible. If things break, debug systematically. Start with prints, add breakpoints, and bisect changes to isolate the issue. Keep iterations small and frequent, because quick feedback accelerates mastery and prevents overwhelm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.